I was born in Somalia. There was a civil war. We left when I was 4 years old. We went to Kenya, came to Aotearoa when I was 11, and that in itself is like an adjustment. Growing up in Wellington, having to constantly move, having to adapt, learn a new language, understand a new culture. So safety for me is definitely not having so much movement and having whānau and being able to, as you said, raise my kids in a space where it's quiet. You find yourself navigating quite a lot as a young person. I came at an age where still a child, but you're having to learn the language a lot quicker, adapt a lot quicker, and be almost that person at home who supports your parents. And as you get older in your teenage years, you find yourself really conflicted about your identity and who you are, because you sit in the space that's like, you're a Somali, but you're also in New Zealand, and you're adapting to a new culture, learning a new language, so it can be quite conflicting. But over time, you sort of, the identity that I pushed away so much became like, I saw that when I had kids, and it reinforced in me to really claim who I was as a Somali, but also as someone who's grown up in Aotearoa and can comfortably say I am a Somali, but I'm also, a New Zealander who's grown up in Wellington.